Hey, enjoy my pasta that I've made with chicken. And if you send me a message or a comment, I'll give you the recipe for this amazing pasta noodle. Not the recipe with the chicken and all that, just the noodle. Because you know how much we miss pasta on the keto low carb way. So message me and you'll get the recipe.